Right, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, talking about, I want to share something about, our topic today. We have discussed about what the cause of the clan of Muslim. Before that, I'm very appreciate for our people who want to learn English here, even though we got a holiday. Every student go off university Banda Aceh nowadays went home to their village, and then in February they really come back like earlier. The same like before. A lot of people want to learn English. Join us here to learn English. Alright, I'm going to tell about share something what the cause the clan Muslim. I still remember what Hari said at the time. Prophet Baginda Rasulullah said at the time, takap rata umat Islam fikir kulhum finnar illa wahida. This is destroy in my ummah 73, 73, the 105, but the only all of them get into hell. There's only one get into paradise. And then the Sahabat say, or ask me for the Prophet Sallam, Man wahidah ya Rasulullah, who is that one? The number one get in paradise. Ahlu Sunnah wal Jama'ah. Can you imagine that? Nowadays, Muslims around the world, they fight each other, get each other. That's because, they don't know exactly about Muslim. If they learn very deeply about Muslim from the Hadith and Sahaba and the Lord, Shafi, Maliki, Hanbali, Hanafi, they will be straight away very true religion. But nowadays, they don't care about anymore. Example, Shia. That Shia are not a lot of Shia are not. So you have to be carefully when God the other way, when you invite us to learn new religion like that. We have fundamental, independent religion. Learn study hard on Muslim from the yellow book, kitab kuning, and then Quran and Hadith, all of that. If you don't learn that, study hard about that, read the book, and then learn Muslim scholar with ulama, you don't know anything about Islam nowadays. Because a lot of hypocrite people nowadays, they got money from the Christian, from the Jews. The hypocrite Muslim nowadays, they can buy, but those people buy with the jobs. Can you imagine that? We are not hypocrite. Hypocrite, they will kill all of us. They will kill the same religion with us. They don't care about, other Muslim, don't care. So if that guy get money, because that guy is hypocrite people, they don't care about religion anymore. Alright, I speed up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.